Flamengo Park, located in the beautiful city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, is a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. This expansive park offers a variety of attractions and activities that make it a must-visit spot for anyone traveling to Rio. One of the best ways to experience Flamengo Park is with a drone. These shots allow viewers to see the park from above and appreciate its natural beauty from the air. One of the highlights of Flamengo Park is its stunning beaches. With its prime location along Guanabara Bay, visitors can enjoy the sandy shores and take in breathtaking views of the bay and surrounding landscape. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun or engage in water sports such as swimming or paddleboarding, Flamengo Park's beaches offer something for everyone. Aside from its picturesque coastline, Flamengo Park also boasts a diverse landscape that includes lush green areas, gardens, and recreational spaces.